the speed control knob, the digital indicator which gives you the depth stop, the collet spindle, vice, x-axis handle bed which moves the machine manually, as well as y-axis, z-axis for the equipment, and then the cabinet. I'll have to show you the accessories first, which are the main crucial ones. They'll start having friction and they'll start burning off. These threads are not that good. They are mainly compatible with aluminium, mild steel, metals mostly.
What if it can mill metal? It can mill.
Milling cutters will be different. There will be, I don't have a milling cutter, we have it in CNC. It will be a 2 flute. This is actually a 4 flute which is used mainly for metal, because it will remove more amount of material in one slot and it will give it more amount of lubrication and cleaning. Whereas same tool if you use for wood, it will try to bend these sharp edges. These are very sharp. You'll have cuts if in case anyone touches them. So they are very sharp and they are mainly used. These are HSS ones. You can use it only for metal. For non-metals, we don't advise them actually. But we have given you from small 3 to 15 mm. But these collets are easily available. It's ER25 collet. You can purchase them. It doesn't sit that flat. If you have router bits, you can use it in these collets.
Yeah, we'd much rather have it for wood than
Yeah, you can use
metals.
it. The only thing is the shanks is what I will be looking for.
That will be. When you use the size of it.
Because these are imperial.
This one. This is a metric one. So it will.
Better off ordering metric router bits.
This could go in.
This is new. Yeah.
We give one, they keep changing the order, they keep changing.
Yeah, this could
Oh,
go
you guys
in.
go, yeah?
Yeah, this could go in.
Can we try that?
Yeah. This is the rods. They actually go in and fix in like this way inside the unit. So it is like a system which is fixed in this process. Okay. So ideally, when you're using, you have 2 drawbars. What is been given. So I'll go ahead and use this drawbar to fix it.
Oh, so there isn't one in there at the moment?
No, I just removed it to show you. So you actually fix the drawbar, hold the collet.
So sorry, why are there 2 of them? Are they both the same?
Both are the same.
Oh, I see, okay.
Just in case Tahi gets
So-
damaging
And they light it and then put the collet nut. And then I'll have to finally go and tight both of them. So what we do is we can use this,
the old one, isn't it?
hold the spindle, and then
How did you do?
No, I think he's just... Once you've done this with the drawbar, that's it. That's
That's
it
it.
done. He just inserted the drawbar in. So
this
we don't have
drawbar
to
is
worry about
actually fixed only once.
that. We have to remove that.
You don't remove them more often. You only change the bottom collets and the bottom nuts. That's it. I'll show it to you once again.
What about all this we were using for wood? We use all this for wood.
Drawbars. So you always have a couple of 1 or 2 drawbars which come, sometimes it's only once. So they are actually screwed in and they go and fit in straight. So what happens is, I think one of them matches for the milling cutter and one of them matches for the drill. But both are identical in shape. They are M12 threaded nuts. So once it is straight, it will actually fit in this mechanism completely. So the reducing sleeve goes inside the spindle and from the top we put the drawbar. So in order for locking that, you first fix this, hold this, lock it fully, put the lock nut, lock that as well. Okay. And then I'll go for tightening them completely. So I'll have to catch the spindle on the top and then I'll go and lock the drawbar first. Or you can lock better lock the drawbar first and then lock the spindle nut.
We have to change the drawbar.
No,
it's just once.
He's just setting
Only
it
once.
now.
If you want to change it to this,
What is this?
That's a drilling
chuck, so
drilling chuck.
So that's just a drill, but we wouldn't ever need that. We just...
It comes as
Oh, okay, it's part of the
accessory, as a part of it. Some people actually don't have many machines, so what they do milling and drilling in one of
if you
these.
could get these bits, a very difficult job. Such a bad design.
Splits and things in fix, like if in case you're not using this machine for doing drills, you have your own drills, better fix the milling collet completely with that.
Maybe we just leave
Can
that.
we do that?
Maybe we just leave that.
Yeah, but that will snap out completely.
What?
Because these three jaws,
6
So you put the 6 in, so that will take the 6mm shank, won't it?
Alright, cool. So we could just use that.
So we just use that.
we'll use that one right now. After that,
How do you
No,
change it?
I
How do you
can
change it?
it. We can change
you just remove the bottom lock nut, remove the collet, change your cutter. You do have extra collets as well, 3 to 4 mm, 5 to 6 mm, 7 to 8 mm. We have up to 15 mm of cutters what we supply. That's actually our standard set what we have given. So let's say like if your shank is big, you can use this cutter as well.
Yeah.
So you do get many more cutters. If in case you let us know what your shank size is for this, and you want more of a 6 and 7 mm, so I can give you more collets of 6 and 7. You can purchase it and keep it. One breaks, you can use the other one constant. They're actually hard stainless steels. They will, if you are not cleaning them or not keeping them well lubricated, the wood.
The drill
You're
bit.
saying the
So
milling
you hold
bit
it
would
at the
snap
top. Let
on
me
wood.
let me do
You hold
it.
anyway.
Burn out.
It's up to you.
Burn out.
Of the spindle. No, not there. To the bottom of the spindle.
Oh, here. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Then I
And
use
now,
this one.
yeah, the easiest way is this. Now this way is locking.
Okay. So
Okay,
this way.
Yeah. It will be hard. Yeah, give me.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Okay. And one more lock. Yeah. One more click, right?
No, that's okay.
That's
You have
it?
just
Okay,
released
the
it.
old one had to. Okay.
You have just released it, so
Okay.
that part comes out. You can change your bit.
So
You can
I
have your
hold it
6
here,
mm.
okay.
Yeah. If in case you want to change this milling, now this is the milling collet what you have. And that is the case where you have to remove this lock nut, the drawbar, and then take out everything, remove the bottom assembly, and then replace with that. But ideally, it is always best to leave it with
We
that.
don't do that.
We don't
right?
need
Okay.
because we can just use the drill
So
bit
just
for any
remove
drilling.
this.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I know to do
Snap
that.
it out. We
Yeah.
can bring your wood collet which you wanted. Can you give me the one? It's the easiest one. Your tool should even
Should be
fit.
like the old one, isn't it?
I think in your old accessories, if you're getting this collets, get them back. So
Yeah,
you
yeah,
can
it's
use
fine.
them easily.
Still there.
Okay, that's good for me. I can make sure whatever depth I want, and I'll snap it.
But did you say the speed of the milling bit now? That's okay.
You have to snap
for-
it.
No, I have to lock it back.
You have to lock it before it goes in there.
Yeah, I'll have to, either I do that way.
Yeah,
I'll
you got
do
to put it in
first
first.
and then-
Yeah.
In some cases, actually the clearance between these cuts, yeah, you can use, no, this is ER32
Too
collet.
big, yeah?
That's a big collet. We have
So
ER25.
again, nothing fits. This is the old one.
Yes.
No, you do have
Some
small
of them-
ones.
The small
You got
ones.
Yeah, you do have small ones.
These
So you
ones.
can use them. Yeah, both are the same. But this has been bent. Right?
Just get collets out there. Just in case. Well, if you've got these,
No, we got these ones, haven't we?
Yeah, that's okay. Yeah. So ideally what happens is, yeah, we will actually cover the area. This workpiece is a little bit thin. We'll need a little bit more thicker. So, and then it stops. So that's the limit of that. Or else you can use the other vices on this machine and then stop it. There's no